Hi folks, I'm looking at taking a oil barrel trade here. As you guys can see, we have the red arrow, red price bar, and the red center line now. Go ahead and set this up properly. Sell on the stop.
Order pending.
Change this to 2.
Order pending.
And I'm perfectly fine with the market continuing to push up. We'll just get a better entry, which is always a good thing. There we go. Go on. All right. We're going to get a great entry right here. Alright, that is a beautiful entry, folks, that we just got. Let me go ahead and place my stop in here.
Order pending. Order pending.
Okay, we can go ahead and place our first take profit in.
Order pending.
Take one out. We got a couple decent trades today. I was only able to catch this green move here. I recorded that video, so you guys should be able to watch that. It should be up on the site and also on YouTube. And this second trade I just happened to see setting up, so I decided to go ahead and give this one a try here. And again, this is for the oil barrel system. We've had, like I said, a couple good trades. This was a great trade here. We would have got in. Here's the green arrow, green price bar, and green center line. And this would have stayed green after this bar closed. So we could have gotten in right around here. And we would have trailed this up. Our first take profit would have been hit. The second trailing would have been taken out right here around here's the green or red arrow, red center line, red price bar. So it would have been taken out around this level, but we would have gotten this large chunk of that move here. And here's another large move, and there was another large green move that I happened to see this morning. So now we're just going to be patient and see if we get another nice move here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys once something happens. Alright folks, we just had this huge spike down here. And I've said it before that this system, it definitely gets you in early on some great moves. Not only can you guys see that here in these other couple, but you guys can definitely see that
filled
from some of the videos that I've produced here. Switch this to 1.
Order canceled.
Can move our stop down a little bit, take away some of that risk. Actually, the market has moved enough that I'm going to go ahead and put that there. Alright, I'll be back with you guys momentarily. Alright, we had the Williams R dip down below that purple line, so I was expecting a bit of a retrace, and we did get that. The market came back up some. But still red here. Still no green price bar. and these are all positive signs. Alright, so the next thing I'm waiting for, like I said, is a green bar, or either the green arrow. So I'll be back with you guys once one of those things happens. Alright, we just had two large spikes down, one here and then one here. That put us up over about $400 on our last contract, so we're definitely in a good position right now. The center line has started to move down past our break-even point, and that's always good. Only thing I'm a little concerned about is the Williams R down here. Trying to see if it's going to do another bit of a retracement up here. Hopefully it'll break this low right here. That's what I'm trying to see. That's what I'm hoping happens. We also have, it looks like this level, the market came down, and you guys can see it touched that and bounced up. And again, it touched it and bounced up. So I'm really hoping it goes ahead and shoots through that. But I'll be back in a moment and we'll see what happens. Alright, as you guys can see here, market came down, touched that exact same point, but wasn't able to push through it. So that's a little bothersome. But the good thing is we're still in a great position here. And I'm hoping that one of these bars, if it does push through it, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a nice size bar. So if we do get a short that closes underneath this level, hopefully it'll continue pushing the trend down. But we're just going to have to continue to wait and see what happens. Right now we're up about $410 on that last contract, $420. Move this so you guys can see that a little better. $450, $470. That's always good. Alright. And it looks like this bar might be trying to make a break for it. We'll see if this closes up beneath this level. Alright, that is definitely a good thing right there. It pushed down past this low. Not sure if it's going to close down here past this low right here, but yeah, it looks like it didn't want to do it. But it did close about underneath this level here. So we might get some continued action down here. Alright, let me pause this video and I'll be back with you guys momentarily. Alright folks, the market doesn't seem to want to give us a strong close beyond this level here. So we might be in for a little heat. I'm guessing we'll get a nice little retracement back up here to at least this center line. And hopefully after that it'll continue to push down. And again, there's no telling what the market's going to do. For all I know, it'll turn around and just break through in the next 10 seconds, but have to be realistic about it. Alright, video's at about 9 minutes and 30 seconds. I was hoping to be able to catch what was going to happen next here one way or the other. I don't like these videos to be too long. That's why I've been breaking them up. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it. And I'll come back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, we finally got a strong close below this level. As you guys can see here, the market tried several times to close above it, but it wasn't able to until this bar right here. So now we're going to see, I'm hoping that the market will continue to push down. And that's another thing about this system. The oil barrel is not a system where you're going to get in and be out in 2 or 3 minutes. You tend to catch larger moves, okay? Let me catch that. I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and lock in some more profit here. Right now we're at about the exact same place that I took my initial order out. We're just going to continue to be patient and see what the market does. Be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, we got this yellow bar right here. I'm hoping it will maybe come up and then bounce off of the center line as it typically does, because our take profit is right on the other side of that. Or maybe if we get lucky, it'll use this as a level of resistance, because a lot of times a level that was used as support will get turned around and be used as resistance. So that's what I'm hoping will happen here. And if it does happen, that'll put us on the right side of a really great trade. It's already been a great trade here, but that would make it phenomenal. And as you guys just saw, we got a green arrow here and green price bar. We're going to see if this closes green. We also have a green center line. We might get taken out right here. If we don't get taken out and this stays green, that center line, if it stays green, we're going to start looking at an area to exit the trade.
Order filled.
Look at that. That was a beautiful trade. That trade ended up netting us $600. So that was an extremely good trade that we just caught here. Alright, this video has gone on for about 12 minutes. Don't want it to be too long here. So if you guys want to get more information on the oil barrel, it's definitely seems to be a good system. It gets you into these trades pretty early, lets you catch some of the larger moves in the market. Like I said, it's not, I wouldn't really say it's a quick in and out system, because it hasn't been from what I've seen. You'll get in, you'll catch large moves, but at the same time you'll make larger profits with it. So that's just what I've noticed in the time that I've had to test it. Anyway, that's going to be it. Click the link below to get more information, and I'll see you guys later.